So I pretty much probably have one of the best jobs in the world now, where I work in a botanic garden, so I'm engaging people with plants, planning future areas of the areas that I look after and developing areas for the future. So my typical day at work is I manage 5 people and look after all of the herbaceous areas within the botanic garden, where we do conservation, research and education. So we're explaining the world of plants to people. So my biggest achievement to date is obviously having this herbaceous supervisor position here at the Royal Botanic Garden in Edinburgh, where I'm one of the youngest managers. I'm planning my first botanical expedition to China in September, where I'll be going abroad to collect wild collected plant material that will be brought back here because I look after the Chinese hillside. So my advice from my past self on this course and to any current students would be to take as many opportunities that are available to you. Particularly if you're young, there are many travel opportunities for horticulturalists to go and travel the world and see plants in their native habitat.